Okay, this is a portfolio for a final. It is on Google Sites. First, we'll be starting off with the introduction, required elements, which include the resume, the standards, artifacts, and reflections page, outcomes, which can be clicked on from two different areas. Learning outcome 1. We're going to make sure that the articles links can be clicked on. Yeah. YouTube video here. Go back to the standards to see if the link outcome 1 can be clicked on. Okay. Outcome 2. The 2 artifacts. Outcome 3 with 2 artifacts. Outcome 4 with 2 artifacts. Overall reflection. Future career plans. Close everything up. And that's the end of the Google site.